My name's Nathan Stevens. I'm one of the fortunate individuals who actually survived an incident with a train. On my 9th birthday, I was with a group of friends down where we always used to hang out, old cycle path, with an active train line running past there, one of the main lines from Swansea to Paddington. And I stupidly made the mistake of trying to jump on a slow-moving freight train and got dragged underneath. And like I said, I'm one of the lucky ones here to tell the tale of the dangers and the risks that are associated to trespassing on the railway lines. And it wasn't until afterwards, actually, the impact it had on family and friends. It wasn't just me who resulted in losing my legs, but the pressure that got put on my mum, my dad, the stigma around them not being a good parent, how can they not control their child in and around their environment. And there are extreme risks with trespass on railway lines, and I want to try and get that message across that don't even take them risks. You know, it doesn't just impact you, it doesn't just impact your friends, it impacts the full circle around your whole environment, and it's not worth it. You know, I still suffer today from the decision I made, God, when I was 9 years old, 26 years ago now. And yeah, it's just definitely think twice before even considering trespassing on the railway lines. There are extreme risks.